Golly. Golly. Dude, I look like a ghost.
So this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna replace this. The fan, because it's broken. There's no shroud, so you know what? We're gonna have a problem with that too. You wanna know why?
What, the shroud?
Yeah.
Why?
Because on the bottom of the radiator, there should be a bracket. Well, it might be able to catch still, but there's a bracket that holds the shroud in, so we'll figure that out.
I mean, if the shroud comes with a bracket.
It does?
I haven't opened it.
We'll see.
We'd assume.
You grab this end. Okay, there's two ends.
Okay.
So what I do is with this end, take the fan clutch off. You put it on one of the bolts, and then if you can get the other bolt in for the other end, that's good. But if not, you can just rest it on the nut. You take your 32 millimeter, has to be a skinny one, or you can use a big one, but this one's not gonna fit. Essentially, what you do, this is reverse thread, so righty loosey, lefty tighty. So just like that. Then you can take your tools out. You essentially hold it with this one, and you use this one to loosen it, and you do it opposite ways. So to loosen it now, you go right. So you can see now that it's loose. You can just, and you just want to catch it so it doesn't hit the radiator and break something. Alright, well, that didn't happen. Alright.
I mean, it looks... God, never mind.
It looks pretty good.
I'd say it looks alright.
Some people take it off completely, because you don't really need it, but we're going to change this out. So the problem we have is there's nothing holding up the shroud. So there should be a bracket down there at the end of the radiator, but there isn't.
$10.
Jesus Christ.
I don't know why people be doing this. I just fix the car.
So we're debating between this one and that black one. Black Lives Matter, so we'll do the black one.
Okay, let me... I'm gonna leave that in the video.
Yeah, leave it though. Oh, it's the same freaking size too. What the fuck?
Well, then we're just idiots.
Okay. Well,
let me put the key up here so we don't lose it.
Let me put this back over here.
Fix the fan. Horrible. Put the new one on with the shroud. Sturdy as hell. It's good. Isn't hitting anything. We got to take the air box off and to get. Oh God damn it!
Good job, Eric.
No, we're fine. We're good. We're good.
We'll figure it out. That's the next person's problem.
Anyways. Next person. So we got to take the air box off to get through the side by the alternator to screw the fan in. I mean, it's in, so this is a air box that came with it. It's kind of trash. It's kind of flimsy as hell. But I mean, look. Oh.
So this is the mass airflow sensor. I thought it was Chinese because it was weird, but it's actually Siemens brand. I think this is original. I don't think you can buy that brand. It's usually
You think or you know?
I think it's Continental that the OEM is.
You think or you know?
I don't know. I don't think. I don't think.
I mean, at this point,
well, this is broken, so.
I mean, the air goes through. We're fine.
Yeah, that might.
I mean, everything else in here is broken, so we're gonna put that back on. And then what else are we doing? Taking
we're gonna take
the intake manifold off and all
that. If we can, if we have time, if everything goes smooth, we'll take the intake manifold off real quick.
Golly, master tech over here. I mean, it looks pretty good. Looks like it's been changed. Just some dirt.
So it's made in USA. Should say made in Germany.
No, it's an American car. Got it here in the US.
Okay. It's probably cured later. That's probably what brand it is. This shit needs to be changed, but oh well.
I mean, it looks pretty
not
good.
a problem.
No, not too bad. So we took the intake manifold off. Found out there's some water on, well, some rust cylinder 6. Right, that's 6, right? 1, 2,
yeah, the last
6.
one.
The last one, found some rust. Some good news, rust. So we're gonna clean this one up. Clean it all up. I mean, I don't know what else.
We're gonna replace the vacuum line, that black one, with the silicone one, which is blue.
Place all this trash. Place that.
The idle control valve was halfway out, so maybe that'll help fix our problems.
So this ounce of gas for $2 if anyone wants it. And yeah, that's about it.
We're back.
Good. Back. Second day. Putting all this trash back together now. Took the intake manifold off. Took all this trash out. Now we're reconnecting everything, and hopefully we don't mess anything up. And hopefully it runs again.
I mean, it ran before.
If it ran before, it should run again.
Alright, so it runs a lot better now.
Yeah, we put intake, everything back on. Sounds better, runs better.
So I think that what the problem was, the oil dipstick was completely missing the O-ring. Or it had the O-ring, but the O-ring was like in the oil pan. So, and then also the idle control valve was halfway out of the intake manifold, and I don't know. So yeah,